equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the blade on your Thermomix TM21 is a straightforward process, but it requires attention to detail and the right tools. In this tutorial, we will guide you through each step to ensure a successful blade replacement. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21. Safety is paramount, so ensure the appliance is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, remove the mixing bowl from the base. This will give you better access to the blade assembly. Now, locate the screws that hold the blade in place. There are typically 4 screws securing the blade unit. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the unit later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the blade assembly out of the mixing bowl. Be cautious, as the blades are sharp. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you may encounter. With the blade assembly removed, take a moment to clean the area around the blade housing. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any food residue or debris. This is an excellent opportunity to maintain your Thermomix and ensure it operates efficiently. Next, take your new blade and inspect it for any defects. Ensure it is clean and free from any packaging materials. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Carefully place the new blade into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Once in place, it's time to reattach the screws. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, secure the screws tightly, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the housing. After securing the blade, it's essential to check that everything is aligned correctly. Spin the blade manually to ensure it moves freely without obstruction. If you encounter any resistance, double-check the installation. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Place the mixing bowl back onto the base and ensure it clicks into place. Before you start using your appliance again, it's wise to run a quick test. Fill the bowl with water and run a short mixing cycle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Our service is designed to be hassle-free, with no calls and no travel required. In conclusion, changing the blade on your Thermomix TM21 is a manageable task with the right tools and guidance. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your appliance and enhance its performance. Happy cooking! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.